Welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Snapchat account on your phone. So you have to follow some settings to delete your account on your phone. If you want to delete your account, just follow these steps. Simply go back to settings and make sure that you have a strong internet connection. Also, make sure that VPN is not connected. Now open Snapchat, go to the profile section, then go to settings. Scroll down and find the option for delete account. Just keep scrolling down until you see the option delete account. Once you find it, tap on it. After that, confirm by tapping on delete again to remove your account. If you don't see the delete option, then you need to check your settings to fix that issue. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.